Hello guys, Sander here, and if you have a PS4 for as long as I do, you know that your 500 gigabyte hard drive fills up pretty quickly. So mine did a couple of times, and I got fed up of it. So Black Friday came along, got this guy, so why don't we install it together? So we're here at the PS4 splash page, and there is two ways to back up your data. First of all, if you have a PS Plus account like me, and you don't want to back up everything, you can just reinstall it, then you just go to Application Save Data Management, and you're gonna save data in online storage. So it's gonna save all of your purchases and save data to the cloud, and then you can restore it later. That's what I'm gonna do. If you don't have a PS Plus account, and you will need to have a hard drive big enough to fit 500 gigabytes worth of stuff if you're full, and then you have to go to System, Backup and Restore, and you will back up all of your stuff from there. I will do the first one, this one here. Save data online. Auto upload. So everything seems to be uploaded already. Alright, so with that being done, we can move on to the computer. On the computer now, I'm using a Mac, but you can do it on a PC. The link is down below. You go here on this website, click Download Update, and you will need a USB key of at least 1 gigabyte of size, and format it to exFAT as well. So you're gonna go here, you create a folder called PS4, and inside that folder, a folder called Update, and then you're gonna save that file in there. I already have it saved, so that's gonna be it. And now we're moved to actually replacing the hard drive. So for this procedure, we are going to need a PS4. I'm using the old model. I can still upgrade the hard drive on the Slim and the Pro, but I'm one of the old school ones. You are going to need, be sure to unplug it completely, by the way. We're gonna need a 2.5 millimeter hard drive. Has to be SATA hard drive, and a Phillips drive. So to do this, we're going to first completely pull this part out and remove it. It's easier said than done. Should be just pulling it up. Ah, there you go. So the hard drive is in here. We are going to use the Phillips drive, and I believe this one should do the trick. Yeah. There's only one screw. Just gonna unscrew that. Okay. And you just gently pull this off. There you go. So this is the old hard drive. You can erase it later, use it on a laptop and all that kind of stuff. This one is actually made by Samsung, and we're substituting it by one made by Seagate. So now you want to take these mounts off. So you're gonna put your Phillips in there. Be sure not to lose your screws. That wouldn't be nice. Right, so we have this off. We can just remove the hard drive like so, and this is the casing. So now you are going to put your new hard drive in. Mine is a little bit thinner than the one that came with the PS4. but as long as you line up the screws to the bracket here, you should be good to go. So put it like this. You can see the screws are almost in there. Get the screws, and we're gonna screw it back on. Cue to the speed run. So the hard drive is secure in here. Now we want to just pop that back in gently again and screw the last, screw. And voila, we replaced the hard drive. Now we put this back together. We're gonna turn on the PS4 and reinstall the software. Now you want to take that USB that you put the recover software inside the USB key here, and press the button for 7 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because my game capture card is not working due to the restart, we're gonna do this like this. So it's asking me to connect my DualShock 4 with a cable. Luckily enough, you guys saw a little bit of my mess, and me here. Hello. I have a USB cable available, so I'm just gonna try to do it in one hand. Pop it here, and I'm just gonna pop the cable here on the other end of the PS and press the PS button. Now we are going to go to the last option, initialize PS4, reinstall system software, and then press X in the American version. Mine is a circle. So the USB is connected. It is looking for the USB. The USB is blinking. If you guys want to give me a better USB, I would be highly appreciated. So it says the PS4 will be initialized, all user and all data will be deleted. If you want to continue, I don't have a choice, so yes. So it is initializing the PS4. It's back in Japanese because mine in Japanese. So I'm going to go through all the configuration and I'll be back in 1 second. So I just logged in. I finished setting everything. I haven't entered my account or anything yet. I just wanted to first go here to System Storage Manager, and there you go. It got updated to 1 terabyte because it's not exactly 1 terabyte, but it is close to that because most of a couple of gigs are used for system data and all that kind of stuff. So cool. That's great. So now just let me log in here, and then we are going to restore all of our stuff. So I just input my information. Your PlayStation Network sending information that we saved to this PS4. Yes. Okay, so that is done. If I go here, I think I can log out. Yes. If I log out, I should be able to see myself now. Yeah, there you go. Here I am. I'm back. I still have no games. I have nothing left. But my trophy information is already here. I will go to application save data. So save data in online storage. And we are going to download to system storage. So everything is populating on my timeline, which is cool. I am going to download everything that was in my all the save data from all of those games that I had before. So from the options menu, select multiple applications, select all, and I'm going to download them all onto my hard drive. And now we wait. Alright. And now it's saying that it cannot download because the games are not downloaded. That's good to know. Oh my god. It's gonna take a while. But that's it, folks. That's how you upgrade your PS4 hard drive. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. After this point, what you have to do is grab your games and install them one by one. Which is, it might be good because you can, select what you want. All your save data is already at the cloud, so it will, port over every time you do it. Let's just start with one. Let's start with Final Fantasy 15. Got my disc here. Pull my PS4 closer. Insert the disc. So it is already re-downloaded the game, and yeah. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, again, ask me there. I'll be able to help you guys out. Yeah, if you like it, comment, subscribe, share with other people, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.